Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are now on our way to Shoal Bay. We are going to meet one person in there. He is a viewer of my video, and yeah, he visited the Shoal Bay, and we're going to meet today. I want to show you Mr. Mike.
Hello everybody! Nice to meet you, Robbie.
Yeah, thank you for coming
your time. It was great meeting you, and hopefully I'll see you again someday.
Yeah, thank you. So yeah, I met Mr. Mike and he gave me this. I don't know what is this. He said I'll be happy with this one. I don't know what is this. Look at this. Mr. Mike, I'm going to open it now. Amazing. If I'm not mistaken, this is a rice scooper. Yeah. Maybe Mr. Mike noticed that I don't have a plastic spoon for the rice. I really appreciate. Yeah, it's good. I'm actually looking for this in Walmart and in Kohl's, but they don't have. Yeah, so I'm very happy. Amazing. Mr. Mike said you will love it, and yeah, I will love it. I love it now. Oh, look at that! Many people are coming, keep on coming. And at the moment, as you can see, yeah, so especially on that side, there are so many people in there, and the boat, also a lot of people on the mountain. They're walking up there, and there is that something like a playing boat and yacht, and this one is like a pedal boat. I don't know what is that, but they are pedaling like a bike. Can you see that? It's like a bike. And let me show you that side. Also many people on that side. Amazing. Yeah, I'm really happy to this family a while ago. Unexpected. Yeah, they just greet me. Hi, we are watching your video. keep it coming. Yeah, thank you. Oh, let's stop here for a little bit. Yeah, because there is a beautiful spot in here, and we're going to have a look. I will show you. Oh, there are people. There's a couple that are watching. And look at that. As you can see, there are many people in there. A lot of personal water vehicle, something like that. The same like the pedal vehicle in the water. And of course, family in here swimming, sunbathing, fishing. Yeah, they are doing different kind of water activity. And we are now here in the foreshore. And look at that. There is one yacht that is out of the water, and there is now the water parks in there. Yeah, that's yearly happening every year. They put that kind of water parks, and you see there are many people. Looks like there is no COVID in the world. Oh, actually consecutive days already that there is no new cases of COVID here in New South Wales. Yeah, that is why it feels like we have the usual normal life here in New South Wales. You see, there are many tourists. Most of them are coming from Sydney and the neighboring city. And look at this, there is new shop here. They are selling crepe. Nice. We are going to the grocery to buy something. Also, yeah, oh, I need to withdraw money from the ATM machine. Oh no, in the grocery. Yeah, we take money from the grocery because you know the cash machine. Yeah, you can take money from the. It works like a ATM machine. We are here. We're going to take one of these 2 liters laundry soap. This is just $5.50. We're going to try this. There is one nasi goreng. Yeah, it's $7.50. Sashi's secret nasi goreng. Yeah, we're going to try. I don't know. It's just expensive, but yeah, let's try. $7.50. And we're going to take one of this toothpaste. This is just $2.99. Also egg, we're going to take 1 dozen of egg. This is this is $3.50. And that's it, we're going home now. Okay, we are now home and we're going to try this one. Oh, look at this. Yeah, this is the seasoning. There is the rice. According to the instruction, whisk 2 pieces of egg, like making a scrambled egg. And then this rice, cook it in the microwave for 60 seconds. Yeah, and then in the pan, heat this one, mix it. This is basically the sauce. Add some chicken or any other ingredients like prawns according to this. Add some vegetable and then mix all together. We're going to put some of this ham, this frozen, and you know this rice is copper. This is very useful. Thank you, Mr. Mike, for this. If you notice, I don't have a rice scooper here. I was always using my spoon. Yeah, I was always using this spoon because this is not available in the grocery, in Walmart, in Coles. I didn't see it there. And look at this. This is a stand. It stands like that. Yeah, thank you, Mr. Mike. We also put some of this frozen vegetable. And this is the microwave rice. Yeah, this is basmati rice. And this is the mix, the nasi goreng mix. Okay, this is it now. Yeah, I didn't put any salt or other seasoning. I just put the one that is included in the packaging. I remember my favorite nasi goreng is the one in Chowking in Dubai. Yeah, they have nasi goreng in Dubai and they are very delicious. Nasi goreng is a Malaysian, Indonesian rice, kind of fried rice. Look at this much of rice. This is $7.50. On the recipe it says add some chicken or prawns, but I don't have. This is good but not the best. Yeah, I still prepare the nasi goreng in Chowking. And of course, the nasi goreng of the Indonesian people in Dubai. Yeah, they sometimes cooking nasi goreng, and we eat it there. I don't know if this cook is still good. It's already 2 weeks ago.